Keith Bishop is a publicist who lives in London.
Breaking news: Adam Waldman is in Australia according to a tweet. Could this mean he's presenting evidence related to Amber Heard's perjury investigation during the Doggy Gate case? On that, a user replied asking Adam the reality, and on that, Adam Waldman said that yes, he is in Australia. So it's confirmed that Adam is in Australia. So why did Adam Waldman go to Australia? Is it to prove Amber guilty? Let's hear the details in this video. Realizing that Adam is in Australia and Amber Heard is having a perjury confirmation going on, fans idealized that it might be possible Adam is there to present some evidence. On that, one fan said that he'll probably also report Amber's finger being severed because there's no statute of limitations on that, and she told Dr. Kipper she did it. Kate James and Kevin Murphy should be there as well. A user replied that in Australia, the crime is known as glassing and it is taken very seriously. Another user stated that please let him tell them about the glassing as well. On that, a user replied, yes, I agree. I'm sure they're aware, but I hope he addresses it. A Twitter user said that he's probably there for glassing, which is a hefty offense in Australia with a lot of jail time. Another added that that's what I'm hoping for. JD warned her that she was going to hit the wall hard. The best part is that her arrogance will not allow her to see it coming. A comment came that I'm hoping so. They appear to be compatible. If he can prove perjury, he can also claim she lied about the glassing. They're probably not going to be able to use the audio with Jerry Judge either. What about the Amber Heard perjury case in Australia? Recently, TikTok has resurfaced video footage of Australian officials confirming plans to investigate Amber Heard for alleged perjury. The Australian Department of Agriculture, Water and the Environment told Newsweek in May that investigations into allegations that Heard lied under oath about bringing her pet dogs into the country in May 2015 were ongoing. Heard, who was then married to Johnny Depp, was involved in a legal battle with local authorities in 2016 for bringing the two terriers, Pistol and Boo, into Australia without declaring them. Heard escaped conviction at the end of the trial. Heard had been charged with falsifying information on her immigration card. The Magic Mike XXL star said no to bringing anything into the country that should have been declared. A TikTok video of a Senate meeting of the Rural and Regional Affairs and Transport Legislation Committee on October 21, 2020 was posted this week and showed an investigation confirmation. There was a question this morning about Amber Heard, said Pete Lane, who was then listed as the first assistant secretary of the Compliance Division. In the clip, I can confirm that the department is looking into the matter. There was evidence presented in the London court case that suggested false statements were made in the Australian court case in 2016. So we are looking into that. The London court case involved Depp's libel suit against British tabloid The Sun, which had referred to the Pirates of the Caribbean star as a wife-beater in reference to Heard's allegations of domestic abuse. Despite Depp's repeated denials during the 3-week trial in London, a judge found that The Sun's claims that the Kentucky-born actor was abusive to Heard were substantially true. Senator Tony Sheldon of the Australian Labor Party asked about the timeline of the perjury investigation in a TikTok video shared this week before explaining why the London case was relevant to possible perjury charges. As I understand it, Kevin Murphy, Johnny Depp's former estate manager, said in a witness statement that he told Heard by email, phone, and in person that she could not take the dogs to Australia because the relevant paperwork and permits were not complete and the required 10-day quarantine arrangements had not been put in place, the politician said. Ms. Heard later told the court in Australia that I had told her it was fine to bring the dogs into Australia. Murphy continued, "That is correct, and I never told her so." Lane then concluded the video by saying, "That, we believe, is the evidence presented in the London court case. Giving false testimony is a crime under the Crimes Act. So that is what we're looking into right now." The TikTok video has received over 400,000 views. Heard claimed during the trial that it was a misunderstanding because she assumed her husband's assistants had arranged the terrier's entry into the country, where Depp was filming Pirates of the Caribbean, Dead Man Tell No Tales. Heard apologized in a tape apology in 2016 for not declaring her dogs when she entered Australia, which is known for its strict quarantine laws. When foreign pets are first brought into the country, they must be quarantined for 10 days. The perjury investigation was first revealed in October 2021 when a DA representative told E! News that the department is seeking to obtain witness statements, and once obtained, the Commonwealth Director of Public Prosecutions will consider whether the evidence is sufficient to warrant the matter's prosecution. It is truly inconceivable, and we are confident it is not true, that either the Australian government or the FBI would embrace a policy of further pursuing and victimizing a person who has already been adjudicated to be the victim of domestic violence, Heard's attorney told E! News in 2021. Heard pleaded guilty in court, but Magistrate Bernadette Callahan granted him a $1,000 one-month good behavior bond with no recorded conviction, accompanied by Depp to the Queensland hearing. She had previously avoided 2 charges for illegal importation, and in a video shown in court at the time, Depp and Heard apologized. However, Depp later mocked the video while promoting one of his films in the United Kingdom in 2016. In May, a DA representative told Newsweek that the department was still investigating allegations of perjury by Ms. Heard during court proceedings for the illegal importation of her 2 dogs into Australia in 2015. Do you believe Adam Waldman is in Australia to present evidence against Amber Heard? Let us know your views in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.